What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Madi and welcome. Today's video is going to be the first video in this series that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. The time has finally come for me to begin this beginner series. So I wanted to do this series because I know that I have a lot of younger viewers on this channel that are just now beginning in makeup, and I also have another section of subscribers who are an older generation that want to know how to do the trends that are trending now. So I thought this would be a good opportunity for me to just start a whole series and start from the very beginning. So today's video is going to be the start of it all. I kind of wanted to go in the routine of how I do my makeup so that we don't miss anything and that we just kind of grow together. So the first thing that I wanted to do was foundation, but then I realized, brushes are kind of more important to start with, and then it even went back further that I was like, maybe I should start with beauty blenders. So today's video is going to be the first video of this series, and it is going to be a DIY hack on how to clean your beauty blenders. So if you guys are interested in learning how to clean your beauty blenders, which are essential to your makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Before we get started though, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe before you leave. So without any further ado, let's do this. Okay, so beauty blenders are essential to makeup. When I first started makeup, I was rubbing in foundation with just my fingers. I literally did all of my makeup with just my fingers. So when I got my beauty blender, it kind of changed my world. If you're looking at pursuing a hobby of makeup or pursuing a channel, I do recommend a beauty blender because there's nothing like them. They're flawless. It applies like nothing you've ever tried before. So it's really important that you have beauty blenders. But there are a lot of different kinds and it's really easy to get lost. Right after this video, I'm going to be uploading another beauty blender video on my favorite 3 beauty blenders that I've tried out of the tons that I already have, and the difference between applications of beauty blenders and brushes. So stay tuned for that. But I wanted to show you guys today how to clean them. So I've dabbled a lot in beauty blenders, shampoos, and how to clean them. If you have never owned a beauty blender before, it is kind of inevitable that they are going to get dirty. I have 3 different beauty blenders here from 3 different brands, and they're all pretty stained and dirty. So there are a lot of different shampoos, like I've said. I have some Sigma shampoos. I've used baby soap before, like Johnson&Johnson, and I've tried Dawn dish soap, but nothing really gets the stains out well. You can always go for the beauty blender soap that they sell, but that's like $18 and it's really expensive, and I wanted to give you guys a cheap dupe using cheap alternatives from your kitchen. So it's really just an affordable way to clean your beauty blenders in just the same amount of effectiveness as the beauty blender product that they sell at Sephora. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I do this, come with me. Okay, so you guys are now in my bathroom and I'm going to be showing you everything that you're going to need for this DIY hack. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need for this DIY hack is first your beauty blenders. Then you're going to need a little bowl that you don't care about really, and a little measuring teaspoon. And lastly, your 2 soaps are going to be dish soap and olive oil. So I didn't create this myself, but I just wanted to find something cheaper than what I was using before. And what I've been using for like the past couple years is the Johnson Baby Moisturizer wash soap. And this does a pretty good job. It's pretty cheap and affordable, but I just wanted something to help me get those stains out because this really doesn't do a good job at that. So you're gonna take this little teaspoon and your Dawn dish soap, and like, why does this always happen? Can somebody tell me like why it always like goops up disgusting like that? So you're gonna need 1.5 teaspoons of Dawn dish soap. So you're just gonna take this. When you do this once, you're gonna get it pretty quickly and like you won't need to do this every time. So I'm just gonna fill this up about halfway and let that all fall in, and you're gonna have something that looks a little bit like that. And then you're gonna do 2 teaspoons of the olive oil. And then you have something that kinda looks like that. And I'm just gonna use this little teaspoon to mix it together. When you have it nice and mixed well, it's going to look green and kind of soupy. And I'm going to take my most popular beauty blender, which is the original beauty blender, and I'm going to wet it. And I'm going to squeeze all of the excess water out and just kind of dip it in here and kind of roll it around. And then I'm going to start lathering this in. And you can see like all of the gunk is already coming out onto my fingers. Can you guys see that? It's all just pouring out of it. All the gunk is like falling into the drain. So this is just one rinse with that soap. It has a little stain right here and a little stain up at the top, but if you look at the midsection though, it is like 100 times better. The brightness of the pink is back, and this is just one soap. We still have a lot more here left to use, so I'm just gonna pick it back up with the Beauty Blender and start massaging it back in. And now I'm just kind of focusing on that area that has the stain. Okay, and just like that, it looks pretty good. You can see the little stain is almost gone, and you can just have a little bit up at the top, but overall that's not bad for using what's inside your kitchen. I'm gonna do the other two beauty blenders that I have, and I will be right back with all of my new clean blenders. Okay, so as you can see, all of my beauty blenders are clean and almost completely stain-free. I hope that you guys found this video effective and informative and helpful just to find a cheaper alternative to washing your beauty blenders rather than spending 20 bucks on a product that's being sold. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up or subscribe down below, and I will see you guys for more videos next time. Bye!